Today we will explore the interface of Canva. Let's search card in the search bar. Select the first one. Your card will open. So this is your canvas. Here you will find designs, the already made templates, and from elements you will find graphics, shape, stickers, video. Click on T to add text. You will find already made text templates for you. And in the gallery you can enter your phone's images and videos. And from upload, you can upload videos and photos from your phone. And from draw button, you can draw with pencils, pen, markers with different colors. You can change the color by clicking on the color box. From here, yes, you can find different colors and you can choose. And from eraser, you can erase whatever you want to. And from this project button, you can find your recently designed project. Let's design a birthday card. Let's choose Happy Birthday template. You can also do changes in this card. Swipe to add pages. And to see all of your pages, click on this button. From here you can see all of your pages that you have created. And to change the file name, click on this 3 button and click on the file name, and from here you can change your file name. Now swipe down to go back like this. Click on this button to download your file. Now click on download. Select the file type. Let's select PNG. Then select the pages you want to download. Okay, then click on download. Your design is downloading. You can find your designs in your phone gallery. You can also share your designs with everyone. Now to go back, click on the home button.